guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rajani Rav and you're watching Not Just Nurse. So in this video I'm going to talk about the salary of nurses and the 10 highest paid nurses in Australia. So guess which is the first highest paid nursing profession in Australia? Pause the video and guess about it. So as you have already guessed, it's a CRNA. If you're right, you should know who CRNA is. If you don't, it's a certified registered nurse anesthetic. So these are the nurses who give anesthesia, mix the anesthesia and give the anesthesia to the patients. So the average salary of CRNA is from $105,000 to $130,000. It is per annum, okay? It's for an annum, $105,000 to $130,000. And the second one is nurse researchers. So these are the scientists of nurses. They do collect the data, analyze the data, and get the outcome and give it to the world. And that's how the nurse is going to learn and stuff. So that's the highest second profession in nursing who gets a highest payment, nurse researchers. And the payment is from 75,000, like it's in average it's from $75,000 to $95,000 in Australia, okay? And the third one is mental health nurse. So yeah, I really want to be a mental health nurse, which is a third one. It's a happy thing to, no. So the third one is mental health nurse practitioner. So these people are the ones who work in a mental health facility or in a correctional center, in a jail, or in any private kind of mental health places. So this is kind of a challenge job, but it is really interesting as well. I find it quite interesting, mental health. So the payment of mental health nurse is in average it is from $70,000 to $90,000 per annum. $70,000 to $90,000 per annum, okay? And the fourth one is certified nurses midwives. So certified nurse midwives are the people who work with pregnant women throughout the pregnancy and also sometimes with the newborns. So these are the people who are certified to become a midwives. I guess they should have two certificates, one for registered nurse and one for midwives, to work as an certified nurse midwives. So the salary for them in average is $75,000 per annum. And the fifth one is pediatric nurse. So I don't know, but I must be the only one who doesn't like pediatric. It's not like I don't like it at all. It's just like I am really empathetic with the kids, so that's why I don't want to do pediatric nursing. I'm really emotional with the kids. I don't know why, but yeah, that's the only reason that I don't want to do pediatric nursing. And I find that pediatric nurses are a really strong-hearted people and they are really good in their job. They are the superheroes. I really, really, really appreciate what they are doing. Yeah, but it's just not my choice, okay? The pediatric nurse has the salary in average from $65,000 to $70,000 annual. And the other one is orthopedic nurse. So the orthopedic nurse are the one who works with the fracture injuries and stuff. They also do the surgeries, and yeah, they attend the surgeries of fixing the fractures and stuff, small kind of procedures. Yeah. So these orthopedic nurses have the salary of $120,000 per annum. That's the salary, in the average. So it's like $120,000 per annum. The seventh one will be a nurse practitioner. So nurse practitioner are the first people who, when you go to the hospital, you'll meet is a nurse practitioners. So they have the salary of $65,000 per annum, which is not bad. And the other one is clinical nurse specialist. So they are the people who care for the patient and counsel the patient. So giving them consultation and providing the service to the patient, that's what their job is for the clinical nurse specialist. And there's a lot of things they have to do. Their salary is from $80,000 to $100,000 per annum, which is really good. And number 9, which I'm going to talk about is geriatric nursing. Geriatric nursing field is quite growing the nursing field in Australia because there are a lot of aged people in Australia. If you go through the statistics of Australia, it's getting like the older age is people are getting more higher than the teenagers and young ones. Okay, so it is a really great growing profession in Australia, geriatric nursing. So the geriatric nurse has $70,000 per annum, $70,000 per annum. Geriatric nurses need to be good with mental health, and they need to have a preventive care measures, and also medications is the most in geriatric places, which is in throughout the nursing, but those three things are like mainly focused in geriatric. Number 10 is neonatal nurses. So the neonatal nurses are the one who care for the newborn babies. It's not like pediatric nursing is a different thing, and a neonatal nursing is a different thing. So neonatal nurse gets paid from $70,000 to $120,000. And all of these professionals, they might work in ICU, they might work in emergency, they might work in any places. So it also depends on the place that they work. So there is always the ratio that fluctuates, like which day you work or how much you get paid overtime and stuff. So in Australia, there is always like some percentage more for the people working in some specialties and some percentage less for the people working in some specialties. So in order to know more about this, please watch my next video, which is on the fluctuation happening in the salary of nurses. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys will get some information about nursing salary. Please give a thumbs up if you like it. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon down there. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all. Have a good day.